Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, I have a Coach unboxing. I know it's been a very long time. It seems like a very, very long time to me that I have recorded a video. But I was wanting to go ahead and record this video, y'all, because I want to wear these shoes. So I have these shoes and I have unboxed them in other colors, but this is the color black. And these, I believe, went on sale on Amazon, and I also believe that I posted them on my storefront. That is my size, of course, the long foot gang, and it is in the black suede. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. And while I am unwrapping them, y'all, I want to give a very, very, very special thank you to everyone, especially my channel members, my OMG channel members, and all of my subscribers for your patience. I still have to do the drawing for Drawstring July, and it will be worth the wait. So I am going to get that together for you all. But I did share on my post as well that as far as the reason for me kind of stepping away from recording for a while. So I guess God has a funny way of making me get back to recording, because I really wanted to wear these shoes, but I did not want to just unwrap them and wear them without sharing the unboxing with you all. So here we are. I may try in the future to make a separate video kind of going more into detail of a summary, I guess, of what's been going on off camera for me. But I don't want to talk about that in this video, y'all. I do want it to be a little bit more happier. So this is the shoe, y'all, and this is the name of it. It just says suede. I can't again, here it is, and has the style code and everything for it. And I'm not sure if it's still on Amazon or not, but I know other colors were available. So comment and let me know if anyone grabbed this particular style shoe in any of the other colors that came up. I did unbox the signature denim with you all. I believe that was my first pair in these shoes, and the signature jacquard in the burnished amber, as well as the chalk signature jacquard. And those are the ones that come to mind at the moment. But what led me to go ahead and unwrap this shoe, I did share with you all in a short video. It was a Tabby Tuesday video of my Tabby 33. Y'all, I have been living in that purse for probably going on 2 months, I believe. I know it's at least 1 full month. It seems like a long time because I'm so used to switching purses every week, at least, sometimes more than once a week. But y'all, for the past few weeks, with everything that's been going on, I've really just been staying in that particular purse. And it is a dressy purse to me, but I've taken this purse wherever I was going. I did not switch bags, and I'll show that with you all and put it next to the shoes. So even though the shoe is suede and the tabby, of course, is quilted, and this is the Tabby 33, and I'll share with you all what's in it, but I've really just been keeping it simple with the tabby charm on it, and then the hang tag, of course, the Coach hang tag. And I haven't worn it as a crossbody. I've just been wearing it on my shoulder. And y'all, this is the most comfortable carry that I can think of that I've had in a long time, to where I'm going to the grocery store, anywhere. I keep this purse, and just, I haven't switched out of it. But it's not heavy on my shoulder or anything like that. But the reason for me showing the bag in the first place was just to show that the C, of course, is gold, a brass on the sandal, and I'm going to wear it with this particular, the bag and the shoe together. I'm going to wear that. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and unwrap the shoe with you all and show what it looks like together. So this is it in black. And since I have fallen in love, I guess you would say, with this Tabby 33, y'all, that led me to Google. Of course, I was told two different things. First, I was told, and y'all know when the big Tabby 33 sale happened a few months ago, they said that, at first I was told that they were going to come out with another color next year. And then I was later told that that probably won't happen, that the Tabby 33 just may have been discontinued altogether. I'm hoping that that's not the case, because this purse is really a really good carry. Like I said, it's not too heavy. You can't really overload it. But anyway, that led me to Google, you all, and I found more Tabby 33s, of course, in the three colors that were available. And they were also pretty close to, actually less than what the sales price was when they went on sale a few weeks ago. So this is it in the full, the black. Initially I wasn't not gonna get this bag, but like I said, when they said it was discontinued, and it looks like my the hang tag came off, this bag arrived in a Nordstrom's box. So I'm guessing the original purchaser of this bag, and it had the date on it and everything, so they had only had it maybe a couple days or so before they actually listed it online for sale. And I guess maybe she just didn't like it, but and she just shipped it. Like I said, it was in the Nordstrom's box, and I believe Nordstrom was the last retailer to actually have this black bag outside of Coach itself. Let me see if I can put this back on here, because I don't want to lose it. And I probably need to tighten up the little metal piece on here to make sure it doesn't open again. But I was saying, initially I was not going to get this bag because I saw a couple of reviews that said that this starts to peel after a while. I'm hoping that that's not the case. But like I said, it looks brand new to me. It was still in the Nordstrom's box. It has the hang tag on it. And this is it right there, with the code and everything. I believe they are kind of randomly popping up online on certain websites for you to purchase. Maybe people are just kind of changing their minds about it, or I think some people bought it when it was on sale and then just decided to go ahead and sell it anyway. Maybe they changed their minds about it. That's another thing that's kind of tricky with the Tabby 33 and other, of course, Tabbies, is the closure. You do kind of have to kind of get a feel for it to fill it in the right spot to go ahead and open it, which to me, I've kind of gotten used to it. But to me, I think about the added security in it. You don't have to worry about it accidentally popping open or anything like that while you have it on your shoulder, because I usually keep mine closed. But this is just a quick look of the inside. As you see, it still has the wrappings and everything still on there. It looks very unused to me, so I guess good for me that she changed her mind and decided to go ahead and part ways with it, because and just in case I wear out my one with the brass, I will have this one as well. But I may alternate between the two, and I won't have to change my accessories or anything like that. But this is it in the black. I'm going to just put that on top of my shoes. And that was actually the last one. Before that one, I found this one. Same with the price, y'all. I guess people really were just kind of wanted to part ways with the bag. It was less than, I put my offer in for less than the sales price of what it went on over the summer. But this is it in the gray blue. And as you see, this has silver hardware. Of course, this has the black. And then this one has the brass. So this is a good look at all three of them together. A difference in the hardware. But the gray blue, I didn't realize that it was the same. Let me move it here. I didn't realize that this color was the same as my heart bag. I have a quilted heart bag that I unwrapped with you all a few months ago as well. And this is it right here. On camera, this, I don't think it shows the blue. I think it comes more across as gray. So let me try it without the additional lighting to see if you all can see it. If that helps at all. You see, y'all, these are the same colors. So I have a little mini version of the same color. Silver hardware and all. The only difference is, of course, they put the leather C, signature C on there versus this one. I do wish they would have put the silver there. I'm not sure why they went with the leather instead. I guess they figured the silver maybe take away from the bag, but I think they could have made it the silver. Same with this one. This one wasn't as fully factory wrapped as the black one back there, but I could still tell that it had not been used. This was another color I was hesitant on getting as well before. The update that I got that it was actually not going to come back in any other colors. I saw a couple reviews on this particular color in the Quilted Tabby saying that the lighter color was more prone to peeling versus the black. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if that was just a one-off or a couple off, because I saw in a couple videos, kind of depending on how the person actually carried their bags or if they were not as careful with them or not. I don't know. But I went ahead and took a chance with this one. I think this is a very pretty color, and it's an alternative to the black one. So just having two black ones, one in the black and one in the black brass, I figured that this would be a good addition just to alternate into as well. As far as accessories, I don't believe I have any, especially with silver hardware in this color. I figured that I would probably pair like a, I have like an ivory, quilted ivory, wristlet that I think I'll probably pair with it. I'll go ahead and open it up because I shared the black version of it with you all. Oops, I think I just showed my address. I'm gonna have to black that out. I shared the black version of this with you all when I unboxed the black quilted tabby with the brass hardware. But I wanted to get like a lighter accessory for this one. But this one, it doesn't have a silver hardware skulls. But I figured that this wouldn't hurt to have as an accessory with this particular bag, regardless of the hardware. You can't really see it at all. And then I have a wallet this color. So it actually, I believe this may go better with the ivory Rowan that I have, large Rowan. So, but I figured that this would be a good accessory to carry with this, since this is a lighter color, and then I can still keep my black accessories with the black bag, and with the black bag with the brass hardware. So, and I believe these are on my Amazon storefront as well. I'll put the link in the description for you all. But that's really it, y'all. This was just a quick video to kind of just, again, thank you all for your patience, and unbox the shoes with you all, and let you know I do have more videos coming soon. I just got to get back in the groove. Y'all are recording, and just go from there, y'all. I do miss y'all. Of course, the comments and everything. So stay tuned, you all. And thank you to those who have checked out my website, shopomgs.com, and purchased purses. I did let you all know on the community purse, if you see any bags, any of my previous videos, to go ahead and email me, and I can send you pictures or put the pictures on the website. And then that way, that kind of gives everyone a chance to kind of pick the bag out versus me putting everything on the website at once. If you see something that you like, let me know, because most of my collection, you all, I am going to part ways with it like I shared with you all. So just let me know. Send me an email, y'all. But this is it. And I'll have to share more of these on a Tabby Tuesday short video probably. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. I really do appreciate you all. And like I said, I missed y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.